How to create a poll on Viber. Whether you're planning an event, gathering opinions, or just having some fun, polls are a great way to get everyone's input. Let's dive in and make it quick and easy. First, open your Viber app. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have Viber yet, download it from the Google Play Store or App Store. Now, navigate to the chat or group where you want to create a poll. You can create polls in both individual chats and group chats. Now tap on the more. Here you can find the poll option. Now you'll be taken to the poll creation screen where here you can enter your poll question in the question field. Then add possible answers by typing them into the option fields. You can add multiple options if needed. You can also choose to allow multiple answers if you want your participants to pick more than one option. Just toggle the allow multiple answer options. Once you're happy with it, simply click on create. After that, you can simply tap on create, and there you have it. Creating a poll on Viber is super simple